Hi, it's Ty with WTI. And here I have my beautiful brand new Solé bicycle. It was really easy to put together with the clear instructions included. You never have to change gears. You can just keep going. It's got beautiful design and quality components and just one very convenient gear. Perfect for where I'm biking. The bike itself is very beautiful with the two-color design and all these shiny details. Everything just runs so smoothly and the seat is super nice to sit on. Adjusting the brake pads and seat height is easy with the handy bike multi-tool that's also included. Did I mention it's very lightweight? It's such a smooth and comfortable way to get to places. I enjoy taking it for rides around the neighborhood and to the beach and back. This is absolutely a lovely ride, and that is my point of view.